Hi, today's topic is bus system of 8085 microprocessor. Here are some key points about 8085 microprocessor. 8085 is an 8-bit microprocessor with NMOS technology operated at 5 volts DC power supply. Its maximum frequency range is of 3 MHz. It has 8-bit data bus and 16-bit address bus. It is available with a 40-pin Julian line package, 1 non-maskable interrupt, 3 maskable interrupts. Overall, it has 13 interrupts. It provides serial interfacing. It has set of registers for performing various operations. Accumulator, also called as register A, general purpose registers B, C, D, E, H, L, temporary register, instruction registers, flag register, stack pointer, program counter. The number 8 represents it is an 8-bit register. The number 16 represents it is a 16-bit register. Here the block diagram represents it is a microprocessor based system. Input device, output device, memory are connected to the microprocessor. Let us take some example. If you want to blink an LED continuously by using a switch and microprocessor, we have to write some set of instructions. According to this instruction, microprocessor processes the data and sends to the output device. Here it is a flowchart for microprocessor based system. Set of instructions written in the memory called program. That program is feeds to the microprocessor. Microprocessor fetches the data and decodes to machine level language and executes the instruction. After completion of the execution, the output data in the form of binary data is sent to the I/O devices. In between the process of memory to I/O devices, the registers are used as temporary storage purpose. The whole process is completed through the bus system of microprocessor. The 8085 has 8-bit data bus and 16-bit address bus. What is bus? Has a conducting wires which carries some information. What is data and what is address? What is data bus and what is address bus? Let us consider it is a 16 floors apartment. At each floors we have 8 flats are available and some persons are residing in these flats. If you want to meet a person G, how do you meet? Because we have 3 G's are residing in this apartment. By using floor number and by using flat number, we can find our required G. Similarly, when we convert this example to our data and address, whatever the information existing in this cells is called data. And what is address? At which memory location or at which address the data is residing is called address. So what is address bus? A bus which is used to data insertion and data retrieving is called data bus. And what is address bus? At which memory location the data is inserting and retrieving is called address bus. We have some other bus also, that is a control bus which uses controlling and timing signals, which manages the address bus and data bus and all I/O peripheral devices. Here the block diagram represents bus system of 8085 microprocessor which uses address bus, data bus, control bus. Address bus transfers the data between microprocessor to memory and I/O devices in a unidirectional manner. Data bus transfers the data between microprocessor to memory in bidirectional manner and microprocessor to I/O devices in unidirectional manner. Control bus works on unidirectional manner which uses timing and control signals. For example, as per our previous example, input is a switch and output is a LED. According to this input data and output data, we have to write some set of instructions in the memory. As per these instructions, microprocessor processes the data and sends to the output device. Thank you.